Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy OTC stock on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the client portal for this. First, you'll need to enable penny stock trading permissions. Click on the user menu icon in the top right corner. It's the head and shoulders symbol. From the drop-down that appears, click Settings. On the Settings page, look for Trading Permissions in the left sidebar under Account Settings. Click on it. You'll see a panel displaying your current trading permissions for different products. Find United States penny stocks in the list. You may need to use the drop-down filters if it's not immediately visible. Look for a request or edit option next to it and click it. A disclosure form will appear. Review the penny stock trading risk disclosure and acknowledge it to submit your request. Your permission status will update. It may say approved right away or pending if your account needs additional review. Now you're ready to place an order. Click the Trade button in the upper right corner of the client portal. A slide-out trade ticket appears. In the symbol search field at the top of the ticket, type the OTC stock ticker you want to buy. Once you enter the symbol, you'll see security type options appear below it. Click Stock. The trade ticket now populates with order entry fields. The exchange will automatically be set to the OTC market. Select your order type from the drop-down. I recommend using a limit order for OTC stocks. Enter the number of shares you want in the quantity field. If you're using a limit order, enter your desired price per share in the limit price field. Check the current bid-ask spread before you set this. OTC stocks often have very wide spreads. Review your order details, then click Submit at the bottom of the trade ticket. An order preview appears showing all your parameters. Confirm it's correct and submit. Your order will now appear in the Orders panel with a status indicator. If the status is green, your order is working. Keep in mind, OTC orders can take longer to fill than exchange-traded stocks due to lower liquidity. Once it fills, the shares will appear in your portfolio or position section. A few quick tips. Keep an eye on the Orders panel to track your order status in real time. After your order fills, double-check your portfolio or positions to confirm the shares are there. Also, OTC stocks may have settlement and margin requirements that differ from exchange-traded stocks, so be aware of those. If you want real-time quotes and depth for OTC stocks, you can subscribe to OTC market data feeds through your account settings. It's optional, but can help with pricing. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.